Friday Fighting by Sam Fender is played tuned down half a step to E flat standard. We'll be looking at the parts in standard tuning so you can get started right away, but if you do want to jam along you will have to detune by half a step. So the song starts out with a nice little riff on the low E string. I'm going to play the 3rd fret for 1.5 bars. We're actually going to hit this 13 times, so 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 1 and 2 and 3, and on the and 4 and the last 3 hits move up to the 5th fret on the low E string. So I'm going to play exactly the same thing with the low E string for 1.5 bars or 13 hits, finishing it off on the 5th fret, the low E string again. So this then repeats. When Sam's singing the Friday Fighting part, we keep up with the same riff, but there's a little chord here at the end of the first bar there. So we play the 3 on the low E, 1 and 2 and 3 and 4, and on the and, we're going to hit the high E, B and G strings open. So 1 and 2 and 3 and 4, hit, and then go through the riff as normal, and 2 and 3 and 4 and 1, 2 and 3 and 4 and 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and. So slowly we have the riff as normal, 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 chord, back through the riff as normal. The last time through the riff before we go through the chords, when we get to the low E string, we just sit on the low E string for 2 full bars. So 1 and 2 and 3, 4 and 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and. For the first chord, we have the 3rd finger on the 10th fret of the A string, and the 1st finger on the 8th fret of the B. Have a muted E, muted D, open G, open high E. Just going to strum down in 8th notes. So 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and. Then going to put our pinky finger down on the 10th fret of the B and do exactly the same strumming. So 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and. We then go to the kind of stretchy chord where we have the 7th fret, the high E string with the 1st finger, and the 8th fret, the B with the 2nd finger. 3rd finger stays where it is again. Same strumming. 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and. Then we shift the shape up. 8th fret on the high E and pinky finger again on the 10th fret of the B. 3rd finger stays where it is again. 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and. And that's the first part of the chords. So slowly, first chord, 1 and 2 and 3 and 4, pinky, stretchy chord, shift up. We're then going to move down the fretboard here to like a G6 shape. I'm actually going to use the 3rd and pinky fingers so that our transition down to the shape is a bit more smooth. So we've got the 3rd finger low E string at the 3rd fret, and the 3rd fret the B string with the pinky finger, muted A, the rest of the strings are open. I'm going to strum this for 2 full bars, all down strum. So 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 2 and 3 and 4 and. We're then going to move up to like a D major 11 shape, which is really a C sharp 11 when you consider the tuning. So the 3rd finger there is going to move up to the 5th fret, the low E string, pinky finger on the 5th fret, the A, 2nd finger on the 4th fret of the D, G string open, 3rd fret, 1st finger of the B, high E string open. 2 full bars, down strums. 1, 2, 3 and 4 and 1, 2 and 3 and 4. Okay, so the G6 for 2 bars. And the D major 11 shape for 2 bars as well. We then go back to the first shape with 10 on the A and 8 on the B. 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and. The second shape with the pinky on the 10th fret of the B, 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and that ends the chords part there. So slowly, first chord, pinky, stretchy chord, shifting up, down to the G6 for 2 bars, D major 11 shape, first chord shape, and up to speed. end the song we use a little variation of the chords. We have the first chord shape for 1 bar, pinky finger goes down on the 10th fret of the B for 1 bar, we actually go straight to the G6 shape for 1 bar, D major 11 shape for 1 bar, first chord shape again for 1 bar, and we finish off pinky finger 10th fret of the B for 1 bar as well. So first chord shape, pinky finger, G6 shape for 1 bar, D major 11 shape for 1 bar, first shape, pinky finger, and that's how we finish the song. Good luck jamming along with this fantastic song. For more Sam Fender tutorials, please check out this link here. You can find a free PDF tab of the song on my website. Just check the link in the description. Thanks for watching, good luck, and take care.